Hello everyone. It's just me today. Andrew is back home coaching soccer, and I am on a mission to determine how we can install something that will allow us to take our cooler out more efficiently while we're on our travels. We're trying to come up with something that will either like a shelf that we can put our cooler on to slide in and out, or a frame or whatnot. But I have the help of Papa Murphy, which is always wonderful, and I'm taking you guys along on the ride with me. So let's see what we come up with. All right, I'm on my way to Home Depot to see if we can come up with something that will allow me to take my cooler out more efficiently from the back of the camper. The issue we're running into is there's not a lot of space to work with in the cubby that is designated for the cooler. So we're trying to navigate what are some of the best options. But I did some research, and I am now on my way to Home Depot to see what they have. And like I said, I have the help of Papa Murphy, so let's see how this goes. Out of the way, you ducks! So, a little bit of a change of plans. Thanks to the amazing tag owners out there who shared their awesome ideas, I think I'm going to take a different route. And it's going to involve an aluminum sheet and some other stuff. So we'll see if this works. I guess this is all just a learning experience. So let's get these things home and see what we can do with them. I had to go back to Home Depot, get different sized aluminum sheets and different sized tracks. So starting off great, we got the box started, and now we just have to put the tray together and then make sure everything fits correctly. The problem that we were running into is that we were pulling out the camper or the cooler, but the track along the side wasn't long enough to be able to allow it to come out. And then something I would never have thought of is the track is only a certain length. So if you allow it to come out far enough, then with the 18-inch track, which we had, it wouldn't go back far enough for then the lid of the tag to be able to close. First, I got a track that was 24 inches. That stuck out way too far, so it would have been way up here. But then we went with the 18-inch, was then too short to be able to go back far enough into this cubby, but then also come out far enough so that we could open the lid. So I feel that the magic number is our 20-inch track, and it better do the trick so that we can both put it back in far enough so that the lid closes to the back of the tag, and we can also pull it out far enough so that we can enjoy whatever contents are in the cooler without having to finagle it around this countertop. You see what I mean? It's a work in progress.